Alright, what's up guys? We're back with another one, and today we're going to be talking about 2 indicators that you need when you first start trading. Alright, let's hop right into it, and basically I'm going to show you guys how to do it, why it's important, and why you should use it. Okay, number 1. So basically the 20-day moving average is an average price of the stock within the last 20 days, and it's going to show you a nice little line of how that's comparing to the actual stock price for the last, whatever time period you're looking at. And the 200-day moving average is going to be the average price of the stock within the last 200 days. So those are important because you want to see which way the stock is trending. If the stock is going upward for the 20-day moving average and the 200-day moving average, then you're going to want to place your bets that the stock is going to go that way. It's going to go upward. If the stock is trending down with the 20-day moving average and the 200-day moving average, if those are going downward, you're going to want to place your bets that the stock is going to go downward even more. So that's how it correlates together. So that's what I use. And they're also great indicators of when to buy. So if the stock price is greater than the 200-day moving average, but it's dipping right under that 20-day moving average, that could be a great buying point because you know that it's still going to go upwards if it's in an uptrend. So let's hop right into it. I'm going to show you guys my Thinkorswim, and let's get it. Alright guys, so we're hopping into my Thinkorswim. We're looking at Apple on this one. And here, the orange line is going to show us that 20-day moving average. And as you can see, it pretty much lines up with the actual stock price. It's going to be very similar. And that 200-day moving average is, more straightened out. And it's going in an up direction, as we can see. So that's what I like to see on a stock. If I see it like that, I'm going to place my bets, my long calls, that it's going to go upward. Alright, so if you guys want to learn how to put the moving averages onto your Thinkorswim, here you go. We're going to go to this right corner and click Studies. We're going to click Add a Study. Okay. Then we're going to go to All Studies. We're going to look for simple moving average. So we're going to go down here. Let's see. It's going to be in this one. Click right here. And it's going to add a moving average instantly. But we want to click it. We're going to click that trend line that it's showing us. Let's see. Alright. It's gonna automatically put 9, but we're gonna change this value and put in 20. Then we're gonna press OK down here, and we're good to go. We're gonna get that 20-day moving average, and it's the same thing with the 200-day moving average. Just put in the value of 20. Let's get it, guys. Alright guys, so that was basically it for the moving averages. Make sure you stay tuned, subscribe, like this video, and we're going up. Let's get this break, guys. Let's go.